In this video, we will demonstrate how to flash the UIFlow firmware onto the BASIC, as well as how to edit and deploy programs. Download and install the M5 Burner firmware flashing software from the official M5 Stack website. In the device list on the left side of M5 Burner, select Core, find the UIFlow firmware for BASIC, and click Download. Visit the official M5 Stack website, download and install the USB driver that matches the current operating system. Use a USB Type-C data cable to connect the device to the computer. Click Burn. Enter the Wi-Fi and other related configuration information. Click Next to flash the firmware. After the firmware has been flashed, the device needs to connect to UIFlow 2 before programs can be deployed. BASIC supports connecting to UIFlow 2 in two ways: access code or USB. This tutorial demonstrates how to connect using the access code method. After BASIC starts up, you can view and obtain the access code on the develop page in the UI application. Before connecting, make sure the device has successfully connected to the network. Open the UIFlow to Web IDE. Click Controller to open the device list. Click Connect Device. Enter access code and name your device. We'll walk through examples to show program editing on BASIC and UIFlow 2. Example 1. Screen. Displaying Hello M5 Stack on screen via UI Editor. Drag the screen block to adjust screen brightness. Click Run once for temporary test. Example 2. Button. Use button blockly to display the button state when a touch area button is pressed. Example 3. Speaker. Use speaker blockly to make the device beep every 2 seconds. Here's the full demo of programming BASIC on UIFlow 2. Give it a try.